Hey guys, do you want to learn how to dance salsa? Boom! This is exactly what this video is about. My name is Hervin. I'll be your dance instructor. I'm going to teach you today the basic step for men. How do you do it? This is the most important step. So get your dance shoes ready, get up from the couch, and let's go. But wait, before you go though, subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. I want to turn you into a salsa ninja. Hey guys, what's going on? This is the basic step for men for salsa. Let's jump right into it. Follow me, basic steps, starting with the left foot in the same place. I step one, then I go backwards with my right foot. I step two, right behind. Don't take such a big step. And then step in the same place, three with the left foot. So same place right here, I just lift up the foot, put it back down. That's three. I pause for four, so I don't count that, and then I step together. That's five, I step forward. Six, I step in the same place. Again, just lift up the foot, put it back down. Seven, I pause for eight and do it right back and start over again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. You could also count together, back in place. Together, forward, in place. 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 Awesome. Let me give you a different view. 5, 6, 7, and together, back in place. Together, forward, in place. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Awesome. Now, look at it for a second from the side and watch how big my steps are. You don't want to be taking huge steps. You want to make your steps small. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Something else that I'm doing that you might want to pay attention to is the fact that I'm not putting my heel down on the second step on 2. Look how my heel is high up, is not flat on the floor, and then I step 3. So when I go 1, 2, that heel stays up, and then I step 3, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay guys, so that is the basic step for men, for salsa dancing. Practice it, that's the most important step. Once you get that foundation, the next steps that you're going to learn are going to be so much easier. But if you're struggling with that step, you're going to make very little progress, if any. Okay? Practice that and see you in the next video. Boom! Awesome job, guys. Well done for making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed your first lesson. This is the most important step. This is the basic step. So practice it a bunch of times before you try doing anything else. This is your foundation. This is, after you learn the steps, everything else is going to become easier. But if you do not practice it, you're not going to make any improvement. So practice it a whole bunch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. I'm going to turn you into a salsa ninja. See you soon.